Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now XRP is actually in a technical target to $1. You've broken out of this key level resistance, like I said to you. You know, it's pretty much playing out exactly like I said in yesterday's video. We've got Bitcoin as well, which is for, you know, just like XRP, it's getting really close to the apex of a diamond bottom pattern, which gives you a breakout target to around about 45k. I think it is a top end of 44k, and we're looking for that to break out, which would be fantastic because that will fuel this rocket ship towards $1 for XRP. Like I said to you, I do anticipate that is a massive level of resistance just there, and at that point you start to come back and everyone shits themselves thinking it's a bear market, but it's at that point potentially create that right shoulder of this huge inverse head and shoulders pattern, which eventually when you break the dollar, you're going to be in a breakout target some point. You know, you're breaking that level of resistance as well. You know, whenever you start to come back up and break it, boom, you're back up there and you're getting your explosive breakout for XRP here. You know, but we look, it's all eyes on Bitcoin. Like I said to you, at the minute we're getting a beautiful little breakout on XRP. There was some nice little news that came out yesterday for those that you follow XRP, but you have run into a key level resistance just there. And like I said to you, when you break out, you want to long the target support. Basically, you break resistance, fall back to support, hold it. Fantastic to ride it up. Okay, it's what happens. You lose support, run into resistance, you go short and you come down basically. So we are getting a lovely little breakout. Now there's two targets here that put us on $1. Like I said to you, you've got your horizontal just here, look, boom, you're on $1. Look at that way you broke out, look at that, boom. But the exact target, to be fair, let's give you the exact target. I'm going to show you that's the exact target, $1.02046. Now if it gets rejected there, you get a little wick at that. That'd be amazing, wouldn't it? You know, to TP or open a short to ride it back down. Like I said to you, I do anticipate that we're looking at some, and I could be completely wrong obviously, but we're trying to trade the ranges here is what I teach you. We're looking at some kind of retracement for Bitcoin and then a kind of rug pull or even coming back down to the lows, which we'll see obviously the whole market in XRP reject as well. But you've come up that impulsively and correctively that XRP can actually afford to correct quite deeply here without losing these lows. Because if we take a look at this particular correction right now, and it is a big if, let's say for example XRP runs into that, okay, my analysis is correct, we're breaking out right here and we're on a target to $1.0246. okay, if we can reject at that point, it would take a whopping 46% correction for XRP to lose that vital low, which I believe strongly is a local low at the moment, okay, the local bottom. Now if we can hold that in that retracement that we're going to put in, because it's how the market works, I've taught you that, impulsive corrective, okay, and this potentially is rearing its head as a brand new trend right now for XRP. You've got some kind of channel which you potentially start adhering to, and you're starting to creep back up the stairs, breaking out, attacking these highs, okay. So look, you're coming down in this channel and you start to come back up in the channel. There's no guarantees, obviously, if you start to reject here and Bitcoin loses that diamond bottom pattern, which I'm showing you in a Bitcoin video. If it loses that and starts to roll, then this was a bit of a fake out, you know, liquidity grab before we continue with the trend, and it's retesting these lows that's so vital for XRP right here, because this potentially is the formation of a brand new trend for XRP, okay, but it is, you know, correlated with Bitcoin. I've taught you that much, okay. So keep an eye on the Bitcoin price, okay. If you do start to see Bitcoin tank, then you're going to see XRP tank, okay. So right now, what I'm looking to do, to be honest with you, I'm already in the long with a tight stop loss, but for me, you know, if you're not into the trade yet, which you can do on Bybit, then potentially what you want to do is long the EMA retest. So you've got the 55 EMA that currently sits at, let me show you right now, currently sits at 075978. Now if XRP starts to roll back into that, you can see where it's a retest of this support just here, okay, so you're getting rejected just there, potentially creating some kind of consolidation pan, come back to the EMAs, get your little retest. At that point, you know, on the daily time frame, you're going to get a little buy and go to the beach signal just there from CoinsKid, okay. They're really powerful signals. They're called a golden cross, basically a bullish cross. You've broken it, you fall back into its support. If you can hold that, it's a golden entry point at that point to ride the long back up to that key level resistance, which is a technical target that you're actually in from two patterns that I've shown you, okay. You've got just there, you've got that to there, which is your breakout target, boom, you're up there, and then equally we've got this inverse head and shoulders pattern that I've shown you just there. There's your left shoulder, there's your right shoulder, there's your head, there's your right shoulder, sorry, there's your right shoulder head, peak, sorry, and there, boom, you see that you've got a level of resistance which you've broken out of. Now you can see you've not necessarily back tested it as support, so do anticipate that if you do start to roll, this particular trend line just there and the EMAs could offer a fantastic opportunity with a very tight stop loss to ride along up to that key level resistance. It's a monster trade, so if you just start to fall back and bounce off the EMAs, you're looking at a whopping 31% long opportunity right there for XRP, okay? And then obviously equally you've got the breakout target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern just there, and you've broken out just there, and it's pretty much, you know, bang on same target. What is it, $1.02, isn't it? Yeah, roughly around there for XRP, where I would be taking profit, expect a level resistance, and then coming for that deep retracement, you know. And it's at that point, if XRP does start to retrace, you'll be tracing to that low just there, and you can see you come all the way back down to the golden ratio at around about 69 cents, okay? Or you could just come back on this swing high, the 0.32, you know, and you really, really bullish like this, calling up, break out, run into that, come back like that, and then break out. Who knows? But this is something we're looking at, okay? We'll trade the ranges together, and I always teach you everything I can. There's no guarantees, but right now this is bullish. You're breaking out of horizontal, you're falling back to support. If we can get the buy and go to the beach on a daily time frame as well, that would be absolutely amazing. Entry point with a type stop loss. You can do all this on Bybit. The link is in each and every video description. They've got a beautiful sign up bonus, and again, don't over leverage, and good luck everybody. Take care. Back soon with another XRP update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.